Today, Johnny, my man, how are you?
Good.
Johnny, you know what we're doing today?
No idea.
I feel like we need a little barbecue in the mix.
All right.
I need some brisket. Yeah, some macaroni and cheese and some mashed potatoes. What do you want? Are you familiar with Dickey's barbecue?
Familiar, but never been.
You've never had Dickey's?
No.
You like Dick, right? Oh. Do you got any tape on you? Damn it.
Good to see you and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Do you have any Scotch tape back there? Yeah, I'll bring it right back.
Okay, I know that.
Thanks.
No, it's on my shirt.
Thank you.
Sure. You're welcome. Thank you. Where's the sticker?
I'll bring some in. I don't have any right now.
Thank you.
Thank you. While we're here, I gotta do a little something. I feel bad. I'm gonna have to cover some people up, but it is what it is. All right. R1 rider. Thank you for the sticker, sir. Bird on a bike. Okay. We'll go right there. Sorry, CN Cycle. Throttle dweebs. Get you way in down there. This dude's going center stage right there. Hopefully no more hiccups. We can just get to the getting.
Yeah.
Let me settle into today's ride. Tell you a little bit about Dickey's. There's some good stuff there. Dickey's. Move, Prius. Much love to the people that gave me stickers. Left them with Bob or sent them. Yeah, a lot of you guys don't know I do have a P.O. box. I have that information below. If you want to send me a sticker, I'll try to get it on the bike. Oh yeah, nice. It's America. Rough, rough. Get out of here, you little shit. Come on. He'll miss anyway. Come on. Before I start talking about today's destination, I'm going to ask you guys a question. First of all, I recognize that a majority of you guys watching these videos are located in the great state of California, and I'm assuming the Southern California part of it. I upload these videos at 6:30 a.m. every single Monday, and I've been doing that for years. I'm committed. How would you guys feel if I started releasing the videos still on a Monday, but later in the day? Like, I don't know, 4 in the afternoon maybe? And then I could start doing the premiere. You know, maybe have a little bit more interactions with you before the video goes live. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Alright, as usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place we're going to today. Dickey's Barbecue Pit. Dickey's was established by Travis Dickey in 1941 in Dallas, Texas. And that location, the Dallas, Texas location, that's still open, believe it or not, man. So if you guys are in that area, go check it out. It might be kind of fun, man. 1941, that's a long time. Think about that. It's like 80 years. Since then, they've opened nearly 600 locations spanning all over the United States. And believe it or not, they've even got a location out of the country in Abu Dhabi. Yeah, no shit, huh? And I believe that location is open in 2018, man, so it's pretty new. If I'm ever in Abu Dhabi, I will visit Dickey's. In 2012, Dickey was rated as one of the fastest growing food chains in the country. That's all I got for you, man. Other than that, I'm excited, man. Like I said, I want that beef brisket, some mashed potatoes. I don't know. I'll probably get some other stuff too, but I'm not sure. I think I've been to Dickey's maybe one time in my life, and they had these $2.50 tacos I was really into. For $2.50, you could pick your meat, and I think he stuffed it with a side and some cheese. Pretty good. Oh, yellow light. That was close, fellas. All right, trade me spots, Johnny boy. Today, Johnny's riding the Yamaha FC09, and of course, I'm on the magnificent GSX-R 750. We're at about 72,000 miles, going strong, man. Should probably change the oil there soon. Let's see you ride some wheelies. What do you got, Johnny boy? Johnny rides a good wheelie, doesn't he? So Johnny's got a channel now, Johnny K. Braps. I like that Johnny's recording, man. Vlogging on a motorcycle is fun. It really kind of expands the funness you have on a motorcycle when you're able to tell a story to people where you're out riding around with your buds. I'll have a link to his channel in the description of the video if you want to see what he's up to. For the most part on this channel, I think you'll just see his versions of our rides, which is fun to see his perspective. I met Johnny through vlogs too. Thinking about it, I've met all my current best friends from these videos, making videos from the internet. This channel, Suburban Delinquent, means a lot to me, man. Some of the best times of my life I've had with you guys watching. Which brings me to the Patreon. If you guys see your name on the screen right here, very important to me, man. You help me keep my dream alive. Thank you. Recently I watched an Oasis documentary. Holy shit, those Gallagher brothers hate each other. So funny, dude. I think Liam's hilarious, man. That dude's out of his mind. I like that dude. I never really cared for their music until I saw a documentary. Now I see how dysfunctional they are and I think they're great. Or they were great. Liam, man, that dude parties, dude. Oh, this is gonna be super interesting. I think that lady just about run me over. It's in here, Johnny. Look at that, she's running, man. She's got to get that barbecue. I believe they have free ice cream, soft serve.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not even kidding. Johnny, Dickey's, did you love it?
Yeah, it was great.
What'd you end up getting?
I got the sliced brisket and the pork ribs.
I got the taco, the brisket, and the pulled pork. I liked everything I got, man. It was great. This place is amazing. I'll be back. I think we spent a total of about $32 for everything you guys saw on the table. Worth it. Quality, man. It was good. People here are great. I don't know, man. I like the vibes in there.
Definitely.
Later on, Johnny boy. Johnny's got that 9 to 5. He's got a 10 too. Man, I really like riding around with Johnny. It's fun. I think you guys like him well enough, don't you? I like Dickey's barbecue, man. I'll be back for sure. There's actually one pretty close to my house, but that would have been a really short video if I went there. Appreciate you guys sticking with me in today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. I do have a dirt bike channel for those of you that aren't aware. And I do encourage you to support the channel partners. Good companies there. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, take a look at them first. Bye guys. Catch you later.